Hi, I'm Mark. This is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and today I'm going to bring you guys a review of the Insta360 Quick Reader accessory. So this is designed for the Go 3 and the Go 3S, and it is probably the best accessory for anyone who uses this camera and wants to be able to get even more out of it. And it's especially true if the reason that you went for this action camera, like myself, was because you loved how small it was. Now, I did do a full review of the camera a little while ago, and I'll link that below if you want to check it out. This accessory, however, packs a lot in, and it does warrant its own review. And whilst it is £46, I do think everything it packs in does warrant that price tag. And I'll put links below to both the Insta360 website and Amazon if you do want to pick one up. They are affiliate links and they go to whichever country you're in. And if you use those links, it does help this channel out. So thank you very much, because this isn't my full-time job and I just make these reviews to help you guys out. But let's get into the review and talk about design. So this accessory comes in white only, and it is pretty small. I do think it'd be nice if it did a black version for people who've got the black camera, but it doesn't seem to be something they've done. The top of it is where the Go 3S camera mounts. The bottom has a slide out USB-C and lightning connector, and the USB-C side has space for a microSD card as well. Now, I picked up a SanDisk Extreme card to go with this because they're really durable, reliable cards, and I'll link that below as well. Then the side of this device has a button which you hold whilst plugging it in, so the USB-C or lightning port doesn't slip. The design is great because if you're just using it with a little camera module, it doesn't add much bulk at all. So let's talk about using it, and there's a few different ways you can use it, so I'm going to talk about each of those. So firstly, you can plug it straight into your phone. And to do that, you simply attach the camera, you plug it into your phone, and then you open the Insta360 app on your phone. Of course, this also works for iPads as well, or basically anything with a USB-C or a lightning port. This means you don't have to use Wi-Fi to connect to the device, and it gives you a much quicker way of transferring video. Secondly, you can actually charge the camera itself by plugging the Quick Reader into something like a power bank. And then thirdly, you can copy or back up your files from the Go 3S or the Go 3 onto the memory card in this device. To do that, you can attach the camera to the Quick Reader, and it's recommended that you also connect it to a power source. Then you tap the button on a Go 3S camera and the indicator will blink green. It will continue to do so while it transfers your files. Once it's done, it will stay green. You can then access the files on the microSD card by plugging the Quick Reader into your phone, iPad or computer. Or of course, you can just use a microSD card reader if you want to access the raw files. If you start with the camera in the Action Pod and move to the Quick Reader, you can also initiate the transfer to memory card and view progress on the screen of the Action Pod. I've tried all of these things and they do work really well. So what's the verdict? And personally, I think this is the one accessory that everyone who has an Insta360 Go 3 or Go 3S should purchase. It means you can transfer footage quickly, it means you can back up footage onto a memory card, it also means you can actually just charge the camera and a power bank without having the Action Pod with you. This means you could take this device, the camera and a power bank, and not have to worry about anything else, so you can have everything in your pocket for a day out filming with this. And this is super cool because one of the things I love about the Insta360 Go 3S is how small that camera is. Like I said, if you do want to pick one up, I'll put links below. If you got any questions, stick them below as well. I purchased this myself and I'm going to keep using it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to check out my theme park videos that I've been making with this camera, then you can head over to youtube.com/@marksthemeparks. I'll see you guys again soon.